Might be in a situation where for some reason your audio messages are just not sending within your specific iPhone. Now, this can happen for a few different reasons. So as you can see, if you want to make an specific audio message and send it to somebody within iOS 16, all you have to do is go ahead and find this specific little audio icon here. Whenever you're done, you can stop and you can go and send this audio message out. Now, for some reason, those audio messages are not sending. This can be pretty much due to a Wi-Fi or some sort of cellular network issue, or you not having your phone updated for the most part. So before we get too deep, what I would probably just recommend doing is just closing out of your iMessage application like this, going back into iMessage like that, and trying to resend that audio message. So just go through here, seeing if that ends up working. So just click on that audio message once more and just see if that fixes it. Now, you may actually, instead of clicking that audio message here, you may have accidentally been clicking this dictation button, which is no longer actually a specific audio message sending button. It's pretty much just, dictation like this. So that is something that is confusing a lot of people. So again, if you want to go ahead and, this should stop, if you want to go ahead and pretty much have, I don't know how to even stop this. If you want to instead have an audio message send, click on that button and that'll do it. So next thing to do, check your Wi-Fi connection or your internet cellular connection. If you are on a Wi-Fi connection that's not great, or a cell connection that's not great, that can also be pretty much the main issue what you're having. So I would recommend checking those things out, and that could end up fixing the problem as well. Now if that's still not working, just see if you have an update available for your phone. So just make your way over to your settings application like this, scroll down into your general settings here, go into software update here, and update your phone, and you want to see if that ends up fixing it too. For a lot of people out there, that might end up fixing it, and that's probably all you're going to have to do in that situation. So that pretty much covers it up. If you have any other thoughts or questions, let me know in the comment section below. Hit the like button, that would mean so much, but definitely hit that subscribe button. More importantly than everything else, I love every single one of you guys. Hopefully I'll catch you guys in the next video.